Now, from our point of view, very pleasing from a Tru-Turf perspective. I think you got 9 RB48s and one of our BH40 machines there. How do they operate for you? And tell us a bit about what you need to do to keep them going.
So the RB48s are our gold standard. I mean, we have 9 of them. We would like to have 2 at each course for the times when we have the big tournaments and they need to split the course into 9s and send one out each 9. We're almost there, but like I said, those are our go-tos. I don't see there being an alternative to that. They perform great. They really iron it out. They're efficient. They're fast. You know, guys can get through pretty quick with those things. So yeah, we're looking to just add a couple more to have a full fleet of those. The BH40 we don't use quite as frequently. It comes more in handy for like, you know, if we're sodding greens or something, we got the extra weight and the extra width, maybe dew removal, things like that. And then as maintenance these machines are pretty simple to work on. I mean, they're not complicated. There's not a bunch of stuff you have to take off to work on. I mean, it's all right there and straightforward and pretty easy to work on and keep maintained.
Yeah, certainly are. They're a compact machine, and certainly as long as you're keeping the chains and those moving wearing parts, I suppose, up to date, then they don't give you much of a problem at all, which is really good. So do you sort of have like a 6 and 12 month sort of process of, you know, maybe chains and those sort of things, sprockets, bearings?
Yeah, more like quarterly. We'll give a deep dive through them, and as long as the operators, you know, are taking care of them, then it's really just PM.
Yep.
You know, but we do every time they come in after being used, we go through a daily maintenance, and then quarterly we do a deep dive through it, and you know, make sure everything's tight and make sure the chains are still going good, sprockets are good, and everything's moving freely.
Yeah. How often do other guys rolling out there? Is a couple of times a week, 3 times?
I'd say on average 3 times a week, 3 times a week. And then when there's tournaments, it's a couple of days before and then all during the tournament. And then, you know, after the tournament, they'll let it breathe a little bit, but they use pretty good.
Yeah.